In the rapidly evolving world of automotive adventure, the mantra of bigger is better is finally facing a serious challenge from a tiny titan originating in Japan. For decades, the global recreational vehicle market has been defined by massive land yachts and high-roofed vans that require significant parking space and even more significant fuel budgets. However, as we move through 2026, a new movement is taking hold, one that prioritizes efficiency, accessibility, and the ingenious use of every single square millimeter. At the forefront of this revolution is a vehicle that looks like it was shrunk in the wash, but carries the heart of a full-sized motorhome. We are talking about the Dune Rover, also known in enthusiast circles as the Katana Mini, a micro-camper conversion from the specialist at Direct Cars. This vehicle is built upon the humble yet legendary Daihatsu Hijet, a member of Japan's unique key truck class. To understand why this vehicle is making waves across the international automotive press, one must first appreciate the constraints of the key class itself. These vehicles are strictly limited by law in their exterior dimensions and engine displacement, typically featuring a 660cc three-cylinder engine. Yet within these rigid boundaries, Direct Cars has managed to craft a mobile living space that rivals the luxury of vehicles 3 times its size. The first thing that strikes you about the Dune Rover is its unapologetically rugged exterior. While many microcampers opt for a cute or retro aesthetic, the Dune Rover leans into a tactical off-road persona. The entire body of the camper shell is treated with a scratch-resistant Raptor finish, a durable coating usually reserved for the beds of full-sized pickup trucks or heavy-duty overland rigs. This isn't just for show. It allows the driver to navigate narrow, overgrown trails without worrying about branches marring the paintwork. The dark, textured finish is complemented by blacked-out alloy wheels wrapped in aggressive all-terrain tires, giving the Hijet stance that suggests it is ready for more than just a trip to the local grocery store. The front fascia retains the updated 2026 Hijet look, with slim LED headlights and a more masculine bumper design, but it is the rear box where the magic truly happens. This custom-built shell is designed to maximize interior volume while remaining within the footprint of the truck's original bed, resulting in a silhouette that is boxy, purposeful, and surprisingly aerodynamic for its class. Stepping through the side door of the Dune Rover is like entering a high-tech puzzle box. The interior design is a masterclass in spatial engineering, utilizing a layout that manages to feel open despite the physical reality of the cabin. The primary social area consists of 2 comfortable couches facing each other with a central dining table. This setup is perfect for remote work or enjoying a meal while looking out of the large side windows. However, the true brilliance of the design is revealed when it is time to turn in for the night. By removing the table and rearranging the cushions, the dining area transforms into a flat double bed. But Direct Cars didn't stop there. By utilizing the vertical space above the truck's cab, they have integrated a second sleeping platform. This loft bed slides out to provide enough space for another 2 adults, meaning this tiny vehicle can technically sleep 4 people. While it would certainly be a cozy experience for a group of 4, it offers a level of versatility that is practically unheard of in the sub-4-meter vehicle segment. The amenities packed into this microcabin are what truly elevate it to the status of a tiny home on wheels. Despite the lack of floor space, the Dune Rover features a functional kitchenette that would put many modern studio apartments to shame. Tucked into the corners and integrated into the cabinetry, you will find a compact stainless steel sink with a folding faucet, a built-in microwave for quick meals, and a 35-liter refrigerator that runs off the vehicle's electrical system. There is even a dedicated spot for a portable stove, allowing for a full culinary experience on the road. Storage is cleverly hidden throughout the build, with drawers tucked under the seating and overhead cubbies for clothing and personal items. Lighting is handled by a sophisticated ambient LED system that can be adjusted to create different moods, from bright task lighting for cooking to a soft warm glow for relaxing in the evening. In a vehicle this small, climate control is not a luxury, it is a necessity. To address the challenges of sleeping in a compact metal and composite box, the Dune Rover comes equipped with a dedicated air conditioning unit. This system is designed to run efficiently, ensuring that even during the humid summer months in Japan, or the heat of the American Southwest, the interior remains a cool sanctuary. To power this array of electronics, the camper features a robust 100 amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack as standard, with the option to upgrade to a 200 amp-hour unit for those planning longer off-grid stays. This electrical heart is supported by a control panel that allows the user to monitor power levels and manage the various systems from one central location. For those who truly want to disappear into the wilderness, optional 100-watt solar panels can be mounted to the roof, providing a continuous trickle of clean energy to keep the fridge cold and the devices charged. Driving the Dune Rover is an experience in perspective. While it lacks the raw horsepower of a modern SUV, the 660cc engine is surprisingly peppy when paired with the truck's lightweight chassis. Most versions come with a selectable four-wheel drive system, which, combined with the short wheelbase and high ground clearance provided by the lifted suspension, makes the Dune Rover an exceptionally capable trail runner. It can navigate tight switchbacks and narrow paths that would be impassable for a Sprinter or a Transit. The trade-off, of course, is at highway speeds. This is a vehicle designed for the slow travel movement, where the goal is to enjoy the scenery rather than race to the destination. It encourages a more mindful approach to travel, one where you take the scenic route and stop at every interesting roadside attraction along the way. One of the most frequent questions regarding microcampers of this size is the lack of a bathroom. Direct Cars has made the conscious decision to omit a toilet and shower to prioritize living and sleeping space. In the context of Japanese camping culture, this makes perfect sense, as the country is dotted with high-quality roadside stations and public hot springs. For international markets, users often supplement the build with a portable toilet or an external shower tent. This compromise is what allows the Dune Rover to remain so compact and affordable compared to traditional RVs. It is a vehicle that forces you to engage with your surroundings, using the van as a base camp rather than a fortress. The Dune Rover by Direct Cars represents a significant milestone in the 2026 automotive year. It is a response to the rising costs of traditional housing and the growing desire for nomadic freedom. It proves that you don't need a massive bank account or a heavy-duty driver's license to explore the world in comfort. By taking a simple, reliable work truck and applying visionary design principles, Direct Cars has created something that is more than just a camper. It is a symbol of a new era of travel. It is a machine that celebrates the joy of minimalism, the beauty of efficient design, and the limitless potential of the road ahead. Whether you are a solo traveler looking for a mobile office or a couple seeking a rugged weekend escape, the Dune Rover offers a compelling argument that sometimes the best things really do come in the smallest packages. As we look forward to the rest of the decade, the influence of these Japanese K-based creations is likely to spread, reminding the global automotive industry that true innovation often happens when you are forced to work within the tightest of constraints.